Hey gang, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina, I'm your hostess. Super excited to be with you here today at UppaBaby to go over the brand new ARIA V2. So ARIA V2 I'm holding over here in my left hand, which would be on your right side. And then over here we've got the original ARIA. So I'm gonna go ahead and set these down, even though they're both super lightweight at just about the 6.5 pounds, 6.9 pounds. But one of the biggest complaints about the older version of the ARIA, which is silly because it's still a newer seat, but it was a little bit short in the foot. So this new version that they're launching this fall is going to be a longer version, which is definitely really exciting. Other additional benefits are going to be more ventilation on the back of the seat. You still get that awesome big sunshade, which we love. And then the bases are slightly different. So on this new base, one thing that's nice is that they used to have a little bit of a red indicator there that they've since gotten rid of because it just caused a little bit of confusion for consumers while they were installing it. You will get two new color choices on this new ARIA. Again, you will have the lifetime warranty with UppaBaby with their car seat. So again, that's the 7 years because that's how long the expiration is. The warranty would last the whole time. But I would say I also appreciate that they've changed this mechanism to be a little bit more robust. So on our older style, that little piece to me isn't quite as fabulous as this new one, so it's definitely a nice feature. And as you can see, the canopy still touches it slightly, but it's not as protruding as it was on the older model. So we definitely appreciate that. New price point for this bad boy is going to be the $499, so $599. So part of my too many prices today, but $599 for the newer version of the seat, which is very exciting. And again, this will be available this fall in some new colors as well. So feel free to check that out and check out our other videos. Thanks, guys.